Good morning, everyone. Today, I am Karan Patel is here to take an interview with regarding to understand how the business changed their management styles and the following practices. Today, we are having the expert who is Tanuj Patel. He is a senior most software engineer as well as a technical with the team leading. Yeah, here is he. He will give some basic background information about him. So, yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, my name is Tanuj Patel, and I'm working with Iris Business Services Limited from last 11 plus years. And my overall experience is with software development using .NET C Sharp as a programming language and other Microsoft technologies like .NET Framework, ASP.NET, MVC, a Web API, SQL Server. So I have experience with this kind of skill set, and I am leading a team of roughly 5 to 6 members and handling 2 projects from a past 6 or 7 years here in Singapore. Okay, so this is how my overall background.
Thank you, sir. So, shall we begin our interview?
Sure, why not?
Yeah. So, firstly, we will talk about how the management has been changed during the pandemic. So, here is my first question. How has the pandemic impacted your company overall business strategy and goals?
Okay, so basically, this COVID situation has affected quite a lot to almost all the companies over the globe and here in Singapore as well. So basically, our company means there was no remote work policy initially in our company, but due to COVID and due to the situation, first of all, almost all the companies and we have to also implement the remote, allow employees to do a remote work. So basically, to allow a remote work, lots of changes we have to do in our companies for digital transformation. So basically, we have to provide all the supports to our employees to do work from home, and also it's like we have never faced such kind of situation earlier. So almost all the employees and colleagues have to adapt the situation we face as a COVID, and as well as we have to run our company's business as usual. Because of COVID, many companies are suffering with a financial instability. So that is our core goal, to keep companies running and all the employees' well-being. We have to maintain all the employees' well-being as well.
Okay, so you means that mostly you have the remote work, then digital transformation, then customer behavior and interaction with the clients. That's all kind of things you have done during the pandemic.
Yes, of course, and as well as we have to manage a team through what remotely.
Okay. So here is my second question. How has the pandemic impact your company approach to the remote work?
So basically, as I mentioned earlier as well, okay, that our company was not allowing any remote work unless and until due to COVID, we have to update our infrastructure as well and allow all the employees to do a work from home. And for that, our company has invested a lot because we have to provide all the necessary resource to the employees, like a laptop or desktop, and also good internet connection should be there on employees' home. Then only we can have a proper work environment. So other digital software like for the team collaboration and do meeting, we have to purchase MS Teams, like Microsoft Office suites to do office collaboration and all. So it's a quite a strange situation for strange or new situation for everyone.
Okay. So here is my third question. What challenges did you face in the transition to remote work and how did you address those challenges?
So first of all, it's a team means communication. Okay, communication among the teams and how to distribute a work. Earlier, when there is a normal situation, okay, we do regular stand-up meetings in stand-up face-to-face meeting in office, and we means distribute the works among the team members, and we also discuss all the challenges they face during their day-to-day work. Okay, but first of all, to support a remote work, okay, we have to provide all the employees with something collaboration or team meeting solutions, right, for the communication. Again, to maintain the security and connect to the office network, we have to do some of the technology infrastructure changes. We have to create a VPN network and allow all the employees to log in over the VPN. Earlier, this was never the case because we all were in the office and we were using the office network itself. So without connecting to VPN, we can access all our servers and resources, or you can consider like a source code and everything. But now a situation got changed, and again we have to provide all these technology solutions to all the means our colleagues and employees. Again, to ensure this workable environment, okay, we have to increase our IT support team, and because whenever users are facing any issue, right, so we have to provide them IT support as well to fix those issue as and when they come. Okay, but in the office we never face such kind of situation. We straight away go to IT department and say, okay, this is my laptop, this thing is not working, please help to fix me. So
Yeah.
it was immediately kind of things,
Yeah,
but
it
now we
was
have to,
even the easier way and it is flexible
yeah,
rather yeah.
it was faster as well,
Yeah.
but now it's time consuming because we have
Yeah.
to raise the ticket, then wait for them to come back to us and continue our work.
Okay. So here is my next question. How has your maintenance team communicate and collaborate in the remote work environment?
So basically, using the this video conferencing tool, okay, we keep on doing a day-to-day meetings as with our internal team meetings as well as client meeting or a stakeholders meetings. Every almost all the meetings going through this video conferencing tool, and we have a regular calendar setup to attend. Everyone means all the team members have to attend that stand up call in the first thing in the morning over the teams, and we distribute all the day to day work over there, and as well as what we were discussing the challenges or the new requirement which we have to develop or cater. Again, it's a strange thing, okay, to keep all the employees motivated. We have to do some kind of virtual team bonding activities as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so that helps employees to concentrate and keep focus on their work and as well as their personal life, because working from home is a almost, I mean,
Yeah.
not all the employees are
Yeah.
what
It's not a
uh,
suitable environment for the working. Uh,
yeah, because
yeah.
kids are around and family members are around, okay, so it's easy to get distracted and lose focus on your work.
Okay. So
So it's
it is kind of some kind of disturbance creating the disturbance,
yeah,
so you need to maintain some interactual activity to maintain the concentration to the work.
yeah, correct. So basically we were teaching all the employees how to cope the situation, and in the during the meeting, during the day to day work as well, and it's so much means many efforts required to first.
Okay. So here is my next question. Have you noticed any positive outcomes or benefit from shifting to remote work?
Uh, it's a mostly positive outcome only as first it's a very flexible environment, okay, because we can do work on our suitable time, so it's not dependent on the entire office 9 to 6 hours, 9 to 6 okay, regular day routine. But yeah, it's we have to first attend the uh, regular meetings, okay, on particular times, okay. But when it comes to do a development or our task, okay, so any individual can complete their own assigned task on their suitable time. Again, one more advantage was traveling time, okay, reduce of means
Yeah,
no traveling time at all, okay. So most of the our colleagues were spending almost 1.5 hours or 2 hours daily to just to reach the office, so they can save the this particular time, and they can give this amount of time with their spend this amount of time with their families and kids. So again, cost it also save the cost of traveling, right? And because of this, we have noticed that employees are more productive because they work from home and they are in between their loved ones, so they focus. Sometimes they have to manage, okay, they lose focus because of their children or some guests are coming,
yeah,
so it's both have its pros and cons,
yeah.
but mostly we have
Mostly you have observed a positive background.
the positive, and yeah, and also it gives satisfaction to all the employees that okay, they are near their family and they can spend more time with their family.
Okay, so now we will talk about some leadership qualities. So, how you motivate your employees in this challenging time?
Okay, this is a tricky question. So basically, as a team leader, okay, we have to keep in regular touch with all the colleagues or team members, and we have to keep on motivating them, okay, you can do this particular work easily, and your family is around, so they are there for to support you, not to keep on disturbing you. Okay, the environment is different, but it's more time you are getting to spend with them, and you can deal with the work life balance easily because you are saving so much of commuting time. It gives a flexibility as well that you can do your work on your own time, okay.
Okay,
So for the motivation, we are doing some of the couple of activities over the video conferencing, okay. And almost every day we spend 10 minutes 2 times a day for just having a coffee break. So all the colleagues, we have
virtual
a cup
copy
of
break.
coffee, yeah, virtual coffee break, and we discuss uh, normal things, not related to work.
Okay,
And that is a quite challenging, okay, because you are with your colleagues and you no need means
yeah,
don't discuss anything related to your work,
yeah.
so you
So,
can always go for a fun talk or a personal talk.
okay,
And as
so
a leader,
it creates an refreshment for the employees.
yeah,
Yeah,
correct, so basically they can get a refresh and we can get the what means we would also know how things are going on in team members home, or how he is facing or coping with this particular pandemic situation. Sometimes they get demotivated or stressed. So we were performing some kind of a joke session or some what a music session with virtually. So it helps to motivate them and keep on focusing on the day-to-day life work.
okay. So, how you change the management style to ensure the productivity of the of the project.
So basically, on a virtual meeting or over the uh, what phone communication, we have to ensure that whatever we are communicating with team members, okay, they are getting the same, means they are on the same page, and they are under their understanding is also on the same page. So basically, we have to prioritize our works and task distribution, and keep on maintaining whatever deadlines we have or what sprints we have to deliver to the client on time. So again, for this we have to set a small goals, and we have implemented some of the team or what we can say work maintaining website in which we can assign tasks to each and every team member, and we can keep a track how good they are performing or how fast they can completing the task. So it's again implementing and investing in new technologies and providing the tools to all the employees. And again, we have added a measure to regularly encourage all the colleagues and give them a reward in the different ways, that okay, you complete this task, okay, then company will give you some free course or some additional bonus during the particular next salary or a bonus
Okay,
cycle.
kind of incentive.
Yeah, kind of incentive. So
Yeah.
basically we have to keep our all the team members encouraged and
Okay.
motivated to complete the task and cope with the situation.
So my next question is, how has the pandemic affect your hiring and talent management approach?
uh, So basically, earlier we were in the situation that we don't allow any remote work. Okay, all the employees have to come to the office for work, and now it's all remote work. Okay, so we have also changed our company's policies. Okay, so our company is now hiring remote resources with us on a permanent basis. So they no need to come to office. They can do work from home permanently. Okay, so because of this, okay, it's like that we can hire any resources who is very good at their skill set, and who are not present in a Singapore, okay, but they are in India, so we hire them for our project work. And it also gives flexibility to all the new joinees, okay, because they have to do work from home and they can be part of our organization. Also, for improving or grooming our employees, okay, companies has subscribed to the training course for the development and management level, which are a free course provided to all the employees as a employee benefit, and also they can improve their personal as well as professional skills.
Okay, so giving the kind of training and other sort of things. So you are doing that thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
also means basically remote hiring, we allowed remote hiring, which was not uh, followed before pre-COVID, I can say,
Okay.
but after COVID situation, companies allowing that.
Okay. So now we will talk about some security issues. What changes to your IT infrastructure or security protocols have you implemented in the response to the pandemic?
Okay, so basically, our means we have all the setups in our office for the employees to use the machines or a laptop or their personal desktops. Okay, those are enclosed in the premises of the office. So basically, they have their own access card, and they can only enter into the company's premises via logging or tapping the card at the security door. Okay, they have their biometric scan every day once they come in, and they can when they are accessing their own machines or servers. Okay, of the physical devices is very critical. So first of all, we have started a security awareness training for all the employees. Okay, again we have also hardening the password policy. Okay, so they have to uh, use a very strict passwords. Okay, again we have created virtual private network and provided all the credentials to the respective user only. So apart from that, we have also means basically company has also purchased endpoint securities for malware and antivirus kind of things. Okay. Also, to coordinate or team collaboration or work collaboration. Okay, we have got a Microsoft 365 subscription where using which we are what sharing our day-to-day work data to each and every employee using the credential only because they are secured on a cloud platform, okay, by a Microsoft, and only authorized user will have a particular access to those files and those data. So yeah, we have to do so much of changes in a physical or as a technical side
Okay.
to cope or sustain in this kind of pandemic situation.
Okay. So that's all. Thank you for giving your valuable time. Thank you.